everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Tomcat Stitchery. I am here with Jenny. We just want to say a quick Merry Christmas Eve to those that celebrate. Got a short video for you guys today because it is Christmas Eve, but we've made some pajama pants for we're calling them adult children now.
They're certainly adult sized.
They are adult sized. We have between the two of us, 3 seniors and 1 college student.
Yes.
So pretty much all adult children, and we wanted to embarrass them, number one, to get them all together to make some matching PJs. But also, this is a great project if you are wanting a little bit of cozy sewing to do this winter, or if you're also looking for a little something to make maybe the college or high school or young adult in your life as well.
Because it was a lot. It was really cute when they were little, and we put them in their little matching footy jammies, and they would send them all off to bed, and they would wake us up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I think I'm going to have to wake up my kids tomorrow morning.
Oh, totally.
And be like, hey, it's 10:30. Should we maybe get moving?
Yeah.
But they're going to come down the stairs in these pajamas that I'm super excited about them. And they're going to match whether they like it or not. And then I don't know if I have the authority to make them wear pajamas that match anymore. I think they'll be like, and we're done with that. Thanks, Mom.
Or they just do it out of the kindness of their heart as kind of a tip of the hat to old Mom. Throw Mom a bone every now and again.
Hey, if you're a kid out there, throw your mom a bone every now and then.
It makes her happy.
Also, maybe do the dishes on Christmas.
Oh, yes. Yes, that's another good one. I also, in the process of making these, made the most ridiculous thing that I think I've ever made.
Yeah, if you've been watching shorts, you've seen Gideon's matching pajama. Mm-hmm. And she is going to, whether she likes it or not, we'll always have authority over Gideon.
I don't think she realizes what's happening, to be quite honest. It's ridiculous. But let's talk pattern. So we made the Wardrobe by Me unisex PJ pants. It is a very simple pattern. I had this in my stash, already had it. There's no side seam on the side. Sorry, we're holding these because these just don't look good on mannequins. But we're going to show footage of the kids in them. There's no side seam. So it's just one big pattern piece. You cut it out twice, obviously, for a left leg and a right leg. I mean, it took no time at all to sew these up.
I think it was maybe 10 minutes a pair.
Yeah, they all fell into the same. I picked sizes based on hip size. And funnily enough, they all fell into the same hip size category. But we've got...
Because they're all between 18 and 21 and can eat a pizza.
Yes, this is true. This is true. And stay stick-like.
Yeah.
But for the taller kids... who are taller, we lengthened the leg. I cut the, so this pattern has different cut lines for different inseam lengths. So for both tallers, I cut the 34-inch inseam because they wanted to be no chance at all that these were going to become too short.
If you are a person who is over 5'7", you understand the struggle of never having pajama pants that cover your ankles.
Yes. I raised the rise on Annalise and Ava's just an inch because they both like to wear their pants up at their armpits, you know, the high waist. The other two left it fine. I cut Jack's at a 32-inch inseam, which is his inseam, and then Ava's I cut at a 30-inch inseam as we got progressively shorter. But that's the only thing I did. And then I just measured everyone's waist with elastic, and that's the elastic I cut for each pair. Right in. Yeah.
Anyway, you put tags in with their names on it, so when it goes to the washing machine, Ava doesn't accidentally put Jack's on.
Which she won't, because they do their own laundry. This was more for us today, so that I could keep track of whose pants belong to whom. Super easy. The fabric came from Style Maker Fabrics. It is a cotton spandex knit. It is absolutely lovely. This pattern is actually technically for wovens, but there is a little caveat in the pattern that if you do make a knit, maybe size down one. I decided not to, so I just picked the size based on their hip.
I'm just going to zoom in on the little penguins.
We wanted them to be more winter appropriate so that they would, wear these more than just the holiday season.
And unisex.
And yes.
Yes, so gender neutral.
Gender neutral.
Who doesn't love a penguin that wears a scarf?
Absolutely. Who doesn't? Who doesn't?
Scarf and a sweater?
Yes.
Well, one has boots on.
It's just, it's a really cute little print. Style Maker always has really fun holiday prints, and this is a cotton spandex jersey. Easy to wear, nice and comfortable. Gidget's little doggy vest is the doggy vest pattern that came with this style arc pattern that I'm going to pop up here. It was a free ad, the whole pattern was free. It was like their monthly pattern. When I just bought a pattern from them recently. Anyway, that was the pattern that was free for the month, their giveaway pattern, and the doggy vest was included. It comes in like 4 or 5 different sizes. I made her the small for her breed, and it seems to fit her just fine.
It's kind of a compression vest on.
She's furry. She's very furry.
furry.
But I think that making her doggy vest maybe took me longer than making up one pair of these pants.
Well, yeah.
Because there was a neck band, arm bands, and then the hem band that went around the bottom.
It was curved.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, had a lot of fun, and without further ado, let us show you the craziness that ensued with making our kids try these on. All right, so there you have it. We are wishing you a very happy holiday season, whether you are celebrating Christmas tomorrow, whether you're celebrating the beginning of Hanukkah tomorrow, or any of the other holidays. We just want to wish our friends around the world a very happy holiday season. I hope you're experiencing peace and joy and love and getting to be with your people this season. And just, having a restful time.
Have a great Christmas Eve. Bye.
Yeah, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.